Okay, hello guys. I have this thing SUNLU. I paid for this with my own money, out of pocket. Popped it out. Let's see what else goodies we get inside. Box is completely empty. They give us a little thing telling us about 3D pens and their stuff. I have a 3D pen as is. This is actually the cheapest way to get 3D filament for 3D pens, to buy in bulk. And give me one little sec. Sorry about that. I had to just jump cut. And yeah, I opened it up. And oh, nice little goodie. Little piece of plastic necessary to put on the side so I can clip it down here and put the filament on it. I should print it on my 3D printer. Or buy some. Sweet, I did not even realize it was in there. It just popped out. Like and subscribe and comment for more. See you next time.